And it's time for another basic beer review. And today we have got a lager. We've got a lager for you, and this is a lager that I saw in Tesco. It was part of the 3 for £6.50 range, but I haven't seen this before. It certainly wasn't available when I did the Premium Lager Championship all those moons ago. And it is a bottle of, is it Carabao? Is it Carabao? It's not Carabao, is it? Carabao spelled differently, isn't it? Carabao Malted Barley Lager. And it is 4.9% ABV. It says it is 100% malt, and it's from Thailand, apparently. It's been brewed in Thailand since 1999. So what can I say? Oh, something falling around in the fridge there. So it's a 620ml bottle, so I think that's the same as the Singha. And I think Singha's Thai as well, so maybe that's the big bottles that they have in Thailand are 620ml. But I say, it does say it's brewed in Thailand. I reckon that the Singha that we get here is probably brewed in the UK. It says it's a product of Thailand for export only, so it is brewed over there. So it'll be interesting to see what an authentic, if this is authentic, Thai lager tastes like. So let's get the top off it and have a see what it's like. So let's get to pouring it then. So not that I'm going to compare this to the Singha, the Singha, because you know there might be different styles, and especially this is 100% malt. It's giving me a fairly darker colour, which would indicate possibly that. It's brewed over in Thailand and not in the UK, which is where I assume that Singha is brewed. So this might be a completely different beast, so I'm not even going to compare it to that. I'm just going to see what I think of it as a lager, basically. See what I think of it compared to all the other lagers that I have been drinking over the years. So we left a little bit of room there for swilling. Let's have a look at the colour first of all. So it's amber. It's amber with a bit of pale straw. Light is quite orange when I hold it up to the light, and it's lovely crystal clear, not too many bubbles going to the surface, which is nice. Fairly nice head retention there, quite a thin wispy head, but it's holding it quite well. Let's get a nose on it, eh? Let's do it. Oh, that's malty. That smells like 100% malt lager, that. Yeah, really bready. I'm getting the orange marmalade smells. A little bit of like sort of wholemeal crackers in there as well. We're getting a little bit of citrus, we're getting a little bit of syrup in there, we're getting malts. It smells really nice. Yeah, it does smell like quite a malty offering, which is good really, because in that range that they've got in Tesco, they don't have a lot of particularly malty lagers there. Let's throw that all over the thing if I can. Can't wait to taste this actually, I'm parched. But yeah, it smells nice, it smells malty, it's got a really good aroma to it, it's quite full on, you don't have to search for the aroma, it just leaps out at you. And yeah, to me it smells like 100% malt lager should smell. So let's go for the old taste. Here we go. Cheers. Let's go on again. So, it's quite fizzy in the mouthfeel. It's quite sparkling. I wouldn't say it's particularly smooth mouthfeel. Very malty in the flavour. You're getting a lot of that brown bread, a little bit of that orange. I wouldn't say it's particularly sweet. It's quite nice taste. It's a little bit rustic, but there's nothing kind of dirty in the taste. There's nothing sort of kind of mouldy. Some of these malty lagers can have a little bit of mouldiness in the taste. That definitely doesn't. So it's brown bready, it's marmalade-y, it's getting a little bit like kind of wheat biscuits in there. It's just all that kind of jazz basically. I say a little bit fizzy in the mouthfeel for my liking. I like it a little bit smoother. It's very refreshing. A little bit of bitterness in the finish. Not getting a huge amount of aftertaste on it. But the aftertaste I am getting is a little bit buttery. Almost like buttered wholemeal toast. On the aftertaste, a little bit buttery, a little bit toasty. I think flavour-wise, it's really nice. It's really good. It's decent. I like that. I think the mouthfeel could be a little bit better. But no, I mean, it's decent. It is decent. It's an all malt lager. It's one of the few all malt lager. Well, are there any all malt lagers in that Tesco 3 for £6.50 range? I don't know. I'd say quality-wise, it's similar to the Sabor and the Grande, those kind of Madri knockoffs that they do at Aldi and Lidl, which is not dissing it in the slightest because they're really good beers. And the Sabor, as we know, won the big lager championship, and this I'd say is up there with that. It's decent. Just a little bit of a smoother mouthfeel, a little bit less fizzy, a little bit less carbonated. And that would go down a treat. I imagine that'd be really nice on draft in Thailand. I mean, obviously this has come from Thailand. You don't know what might have happened on the way here, how well it travelled. But it tastes good. It tastes nice. It tastes nice. It tastes clean. It tastes malty. It's flavourful. Yeah, and on the end there, I'm getting lovely little bits of like kind of citrus notes and almost like fresh oranges, and then again a little bit of marmalade, a little bit of brown bread. It's just, yeah, that's basically the gist with this lager, and it is, you know, it's very refreshing, very drinkable, but a little bit gassy, a bit like the Singha. I mean, very different from the Singha, a little bit gassy like the Singha was. Well, yeah, I'm impressed. It's one of the better ones, I would say. There you go, one of the better ones. Get out there, have a go, try it, see what you think. I might be wrong, but I'm enjoying it. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one.